sin ax by sin bx. So x substitute value in sin 0 by sin 0. Sin 0 value 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is called indeterminate forms. So indeterminate forms, you have to find the problem. Indefinite forms are not possible. So convert it to formula. What is the formula? The formula is limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x is equal, that is the value a. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x. But in numerator value, x tends to 0. So numerator and denominator. So this is a question. Sin ax by sin bx. So please observe. Numerator and denominator divided by x. Why? Because so this is a formula converted to formula. So limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x whole divided by sin bx by x. Limit apply both numerator and denominator. Limit x tends to 0, sin ax by x whole divided by, limit x tends to 0, sin bx by x. So what is the now formula? This is the formula is a. This is the formula is comparing sin ax by x value a, sin bx by x value b. So final answer. Right down. X tends to 0, sin ax by x one term, 1 by cos x another by x. Okay. Limit x tends to 0, 1 by cos x. So value, this is the value is 1. Why? Because formula. So substituting x value, 1 by cos 0. Cos 0 value 1. 1 by 1 value 1. Okay. The answer is 1. Write down. One. Limit x tends to 1. Sin of x minus 1 by x square minus 1. Please observe. Limit x tends to 1. Sin of x minus 1 by x square minus 1, write as 1 square. Limit x tends to 1. Sin of x minus 1 by a square minus b square, a plus b, x plus 1 into x minus 1. Same as usually. Limit x tends to 1. Write separate terms. Sin of x minus 1 by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. 1 by x plus 1. So please observe the formula. Limit x tends to limit tends to a, actually limit x tends to a, sin ax by x value a replace 1. But ikkada what is the value? 1 ma. Sin angle same unte 1. Ela ante sin x by x anta. limit extends to any value sin x by x ఫామ్ ఉంటే కూడా 1 ఓకే ఇక్కడ x by x ఫామ్ గా కంపేర్ చేస్తాం x value substitute 1 1 x value substitute how much 1 1 by 1 plus 1 1 by 2 okay right sixth question limit extends to a tan of x minus a by x square minus a square చూడండి సేమ్ as usual limit extends to a tan of x minus a by x square minus a square minus b square form a plus b x plus a into x minus b sorry x plus a x minus a I will write limit extends to z a tan of x minus a by x minus a into 1 by x plus a so limit applied limit extends to a tan of x minus a by x minus a limit extends to a 1 by x plus a so what represent ma same tan is also that is the value 1 into 1 by a plus a that is the value 1 by 2a okay right the first formula sin c plus sin d 2 sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2 sin c minus sin d 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2 okay cos c plus cos t plus cos t is equal 2 cos of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. Just a very important formula cos c minus cos t is equal minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d. Very important one. Okay, right. So limit extends to 0. Cos ax minus cos bx by x square. So what is the formula now? Please observe. Cos c minus cos t minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Minus 2. C replace ax and d replace bx. Minus 2 sin of c plus d ax plus bx by 2. Sin of same ax minus bx by 2. All divided by x square right as x into x. Limit minus 2 is the constant come outside. Limit extends to 0. Sin of So x is common. A plus b by 2. X by x. Next, sine of a minus b by 2x by x. Don't cancellation. It's not possible. So limit apply on both sides. Limit x tends to 0. Sine of a plus b by 2 into x by x. Limit x tends to 0. A minus b by 2 into x by x. What is the represent formula? Limit x tends to 0. Sine ax by x is equal to a. What is the a plus b by 2? Minus 2 into. This is also a minus b by 2. 2 to cancel. Minus of a plus b into a minus b by 2 is equal minus of minus b square by 2 is equal b square minus a square by 2. Okay, right. Next problem. And second one, limit x tends to 0. Sine of a plus bx, bx, right, minus sine of a minus bx by x. Okay, what represent formula? Please observe. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. So limit x tends to 0. So c replace a plus bx. Please observe. C replace a plus bx. D replace a minus. So 2 cos of a plus bx plus a minus bx by 2. Sin of a plus bx minus, please observe ma. C minus d, that means minus a minus of minus plus bx by 2x by 2 by x. So please observe in the condition plus bx minus bx cancel. A plus a, 2a. Limit extends to 0. 2 is the constant. Cos of a plus a, 2a by 2. This is also constant. So nothing use. Sin of plus a minus a cancel. 2bx by 2 by x. 2 to cancel. So cos a is also constant. 2 cos a is a constant. Limit extends to 0. 2 to cancel. Sin bx by x. That is the value. The formula is 2 cos a into the formula is directly sin ax by x a. That means b formula. So finally 2b cos a. 2b cos a. Okay. This is the formula. Sin ax by x equal to a. Sin bx by x equal to b. 2b cos a. Limit extends to a. X sin a minus a sin x by x minus a. So denominator is coming x minus. Please observe the question. I will write limit x tends to a, x sin a. So adding minus a sin a. Please observe now. Minus a sin a plus a sin a. Yes, adding minus a sin a plus a sin a. Next, minus a sin x by x minus a. So limit x tends to a. So please observe. So first of all, observe these two terms, and next observe these two terms. Okay, what is the common? Sin a is common. So x minus a common, sin a by x minus a, plus only a is common, sin a minus sin x by x minus a. Write the different terms. Denominator is same. X minus a cancel. Limit x tends to a, sin a plus. So what is the formula now? Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos of c plus d by 2. Sin of c minus d by 2. C replace small a, d replace x. So a into 2 cos of a plus x by 2 sin of a minus x by 2 by x minus a. Sin a is constant plus a is also 2a is constant 2a, and limit also apply tends to a cos of x plus a or a plus x, no problem. Please observe this step. A plus x by 2 into sin of a minus x by 2 by x minus a. Apply limit all sides. Sin a plus limit extends to a cos of a plus x by 2. Limit extends to a sin of a minus x by 2 by x minus is common, a minus x. Please observe me. Both numerator and denominators are same. Okay. Write down. No? Continue next step. So sin a plus limit extends to a, apply a value, substitute a value, a plus a by 2. So this is the indeterminate term. So this is formula. I will write limit extends to a 1 by 2 of sin of 1 by 2. Sin of 1 by 2 of a minus x by a minus x minus. Right? 2a is missing. 2a, 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 2a. Finally, 2 cancel. Sin A minus A cos A. Right? ఒక 5 minutes ఉంది జాయిన్ అమ్మా కట్ అవుతుంది.
Okay, sir.
అయిపోయిందా ఇది?
Yes, sir.
సో షార్ట్ 5 minutes అంతే.